Yo, what's up guys, it's Val back at you with another Call of Duty mobile video. In today's video, we are going to be using the new Switchblade.
Enemy contact! Contact with enemy!
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
Damn. Alright, yo. So I just got back from my rafting trip.
Bomb has been planted.
And yeah, so I'm probably not gonna be the best at the game. During summer, I'm never really that good. Oh no, I've got a little lag going. When it comes to like summertime,
Reloading.
I'm like, when summer comes, I'm always off, like video games a lot, I'm traveling a lot. But now that school will be starting up again, like in 2 weeks, I'm gonna be on all week this week, and then I'm gonna be off like all week next week. You know, kind of. Damn.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Yeah, looks like it's kind of bots right now. Because my game used to go and crash a bunch.
Bomb has been planted.
Alright, he's gonna be over here, most likely. Alright, pop this defuse.
Bomb defuse shield turret.
And by the way, guys, I might be going and buying, there is supposed to be
Bomb acquired.
a redux for the legendary Reaper Ashura, and the Salamander, I think it's called, LMG, that Salamander, M4 LMG. So if there is, then I'm most likely gonna be going and picking that one up. And I am going to be doing a tournament. Can I push that? A flash. Oh, and my teammate stole the kill. Oh, GG's. I am also going to be holding a tournament for anyone that is on my Discord that is a subscriber member can join in. And like, guys, these are, I've played one other game, 2 other games, and then that first game, like, so 3 games. So I'm just getting back. Oh crap. Not too good. Alright.
Targets in sight! Targets in sight!
Alright, let's...
Enemy contact!
Shield turret is ready. Shield turret deployed. Last man standing.
Oh, snap! The guy with Kilo. Whoop me. Dude, he's right there. Bro, what was my teammate doing? Yes, Val. Drop one for my teammate.
Destroy the objective.
Does he want to pick it up? I think one of my teammates just dipped.
Targets in sight. Enemy down.
Bomb dropped.
Oh, I just choked there. Damn. Yeah, this teammate went and picked it up. Nice.
Objective. We got the bomb.
Start playing this a little bit safer. Maybe I should push. No, I already pushed. I was already kind of aggressive.
Need back.
Last man standing.
Changing
Finish
mag.
it.
Enemy in sight.
Alright, got one. Alright.
Target down. Changing
Got
mag.
another.
Hurt.
Lost the bomb.
Bruh! I got stuck there! Are you kidding me?
Yet.
Oh my god.
Targets in sight. Tango down. Reloading. Cover me.
Alright.
It's all up to you.
Bruh! Well, that's gonna be it for me here today. I hope y'all did go and enjoy that video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.